Oh, where'd they go?
They went to a reunion and deserted.
Oh! I didn't know who that was. And I was like, oh, look, another kid has a dirt bike. Well, once he falls, it might slow down a little bit.
It just looks fast to me because I thought I was flying. I was probably going 15 while you were going your 5.
I'm scared. I didn't want to fall. I just don't want to fall and then that thing like run over me, you know?
The tire?
Yeah.
Like, how could you die from it?
You don't think?
Okay, bucks.
Where'd he go? Oh. Okay. Should be good enough. You want to be recording him, right? I don't know why, but... Oh, look at the dog. The dog's chasing after. You guys can't see that because it's too small.